A clever AI pilot means very little if it can't survive security reviews, compliance checks, and day-to-day operations. That's the gap Business Compass LLC is built to close on AWS.
This video is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services Advanced Consulting Partner and Well Architect Partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web, and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out a4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing, or NLP services, infused with Gen A1 for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have Concept to Code, offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concepttocode.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us.
Our practice is built around 5 pillars: strategic focus, data integration, trusted intelligence, predictive analytics, and agentic automation. Together, those pillars turn into enterprise outcomes you can measure. They unify data, put governance around AI, improve forecasting, and automate work that used to slow teams down. That foundation expands into a full operating flow. We move from understand, investigate, and extract into predict, validate, act, and govern. So insight turns into decisions you can trust and use. Then assist and train keep people in the loop, so the model gets sharper with real feedback, and the workflow stays tied to how the business actually works. From there, the portfolio opens up into a full suite: language intelligence, forensic investigation, financial data extraction, fraud detection, utility compliance, blueprint review, workbench, AI assist, enterprise AI tools, and agent studio. Each offering is built to take analysis off people's plates, help teams make better calls faster, and support the specialized workflows that industries actually run on. At the core is a language platform that works in real time or in batch, and it can process audio, video, documents, and even live communications in one operating layer. That means the same system can transcribe conversations, identify speakers, read tone, understand scenes, pull entities, summarize content, translate across languages, and keep sentiment in view as activity unfolds. In forensic work, teams can pull audio, video, logs, and documents into one secure workspace, then trace links across sources so a spoken phrase, a file change, and a timestamped event all connect to the same evidence trail. On the financial side, the system takes messy records and turns them into structured data, then normalizes fields, reconciles mismatches, and surfaces insights your team can actually act on instead of chasing spreadsheets by hand. That same operating model extends into AI for You Workbench, where teams can use multiple foundation models from one secure workspace instead of bouncing between disconnected tools. Built-in guardrails, token management, and usage analytics let each business unit move faster while leaders can see risk, control spend, and prove where AI is actually paying off. Enterprise AI tools can support work across the business, from knowledge, document, and RFP assistance to customer service, operations, finance, development, and meeting support. Agent Studio ties those systems together, pulls in the right enterprise context, and carries out approved tasks inside a governed framework so automation stays useful, visible, and controlled. Under that delivery model sits a reference architecture that connects Kinesis, Data Firehose, Glue, Lambda, SageMaker, Bedrock, vector databases, and agent orchestration, with centralized governance and analytics watching the whole system end to end. What keeps that architecture production ready is the discipline around it. Responsible AI controls, continuous evaluation, model governance, and a phased delivery approach keep the work secure, reliable, and getting better as it moves from pilot into real operations. So the real result isn't another AI proof of concept. It's cleaner operations, less manual entry, stronger compliance, lower risk, and a faster path from idea to business value. That's how Business Compass LLC helps you move from scattered experiments to production AI that works where the business actually runs.